If you are looking to start a garden, then try to understand the challenges faced by organic farmers from the time they plant to when they harvest. Check this out. Hello fans, welcome to Susie Farms. Here we focus on agriculture, animal husbandry, aquaculture, and agribusiness, where we bring research to practice. Our products are purely organic, from the farm to the table, so we can eat healthy food. If you are new here, like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit on the notification bell. Permit us to serve you with some cola nut and palm wine so you can relax while watching. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Starting a garden is the best thing one can do because you get to grow your own food to nourish your body. It is like having your life in your own hands. However, it is often good to understand some of the challenges faced by organic farmers before you start. From the time you transplant your young seedling from the nursery into the open garden, everything looks just fine until the weeds start growing. Weeds are unwanted plants that need to be uprooted because they often compete for nutrients with the plant. Pests may also infest the plants and need to be halted through companion planting or using natural pesticide like cayenne pepper spray or neem oil. Then comes the unwanted visitor. That can be a dangerous snake or a destructive stray animal that destroy the crops. Please kindly like and subscribe as we listen to the challenges faced by Mr. Eugene Ekinde in his garden in Nebraska, USA. Listen for yourself.
Yeah, I spoke about weeding being one of the main problems with organic gardening. One way of fighting the weeds is through mulching. If you see, I have mulched my beds. I have 3 beds here that I have mulched. I have mulched this bed. I've mulched this bed. And I have mulched this bed to reduce the weeds. I've mulched the beds with grass. Another form of mulching is with wood chips. As you can see, the tomato bed over here is covered with wood chips. That is another way of fighting the weeds, but it's labor consuming. It's a lot of work to do all of this. I see all the brown, so there's also grass. This when I thought say I'll be here for 6 weeks. See, that's also then this. So see grass. Why man grass? That's all the thing bad to take. You remove them after 1 week, it don't grow back. See the baby heap for here, so there's also grass this way. I move on for that farm. The grass that way, it be the kill. See how I don't move grass. See how we farm it all na green. All the pepper, tomato, green. Country jama. All they don't woke up. All they don't woke up. See. Color green. Cucumber. Watermelon. All man don't woke up. They go survive because I don't move that grass for this farm. We be like sick for their skin. So I'm glad how when I see this hard work I don't do. Mrs. F, I hang my chest for which you are to accomplish. Thank you, Papa God, for the power. Yeah, today is June 20th,
2022. I'm at the Bangerman Organic Farm, Lincoln, Nebraska. I'm doing this short video because I am excited, I am contented, I am proud of what I have accomplished. If you can see, I've completed the weeding. It took me 6 weeks to do all of this. So now my peppers can thrive. The cucumbers too can thrive. Everything, every plant has enough room to survive, to grow healthy. I am just so happy that I have completed this tedious work, hard work. It took me 6 weeks. The watermelons too on the trellis can survive. Everybody is going to be happy. All the plants are going to be happy because they have room to grow. The tomatoes over there, the tomatoes will be very happy, or they are very happy. The okra too is very happy. Most especially the peppers. The peppers, so the whole place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows of mixed peppers, sweet peppers and hot peppers. I am so happy. I am so happy that I've been able to accomplish this today. Thank God. Another problem that we face is with the irrigation lines. See, I have a big leak here. I've tried to patch it, but it's not working for me. See, that's another problem with gardening, organic gardening over here in the US. A third problem that we face here with the gardening is the attack of weeds. Not weeds, or insects. You see, there's one cabbage plant that has been destroyed completely by the larvae or caterpillar of future butterflies. So that is an area, that's another big problem that we farmers face. When insects attack, it is not easy to recover. See, look at, those are all my cabbage plants that have been attacked by insects. I've used some organic insecticide to fight them. So in a nutshell, those are 3 problems I've highlighted that we face with our organic gardening. To summarize again, the biggest problem is weeds. The second problem is irrigation. And the third problem is insect infestation. Thank you very much, and do have a wonderful day.
That was it for today. I hope you have learned 1 or 2 things from his experience. Please kindly like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit on the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload our next video. Thank you for watching. Healthy plants, healthy people, healthy planet.